Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming from Beanie's Crafty Corner, and I'm just here to share a few things with you guys. I got some new stuff in. I got some bumblebees. You know, I have ladybugs, and I needed bumblebees. And I did put some bumblebees in the shop, but, like, they went away. So I had to get some new bumblebees, so I grabbed some new bumblebees. And I got a bag of charms. And these are just general charms. I use these when I'm making, like, dangles and stuff. Oh, look how cute. It's like a snowflake. It's adorable. So that's what I do with these. And, you know, so I generally don't care too much what they are. I just like to have a selection of them to pick through. And so I buy just a bag of random charms. Just makes my life easier. You know, and I get some really interesting stuff in them. I get some cute ones. So I like those. And then I got... I sort of got like a Happy Mail, I bought something kind of thing. So, Tina over at Tina's Crafty Life, she was having a little sticker sale. You guys know I love my stickers, right? Well, I am in the middle of making a journal for my son, and he wants it to be Star Wars. He's 26 years old, but he wanted a Star Wars journal. So, I got some fabric off of Michelle Evans, and that she sent me in a Happy Mail, and I'm going to use that. And then I saw these, and I was like, I got to have them. So they were only 10 cents, right? So I figured she was going to just send this to me. Well, I got this big fat envelope today, and this little note in here that says, thanks for the friendship and our late night conversations. Enjoy the backgrounds. Hugs, Tina. Now, I love Tina's backgrounds. If you've never seen Tina's Mixed Media, you have to go check some of that stuff out, because she gets some incredible backgrounds. So this one is on watercolor paper, and it looks like ink on watercolor. So all of these are on watercolor paper. And then this is Yupo, and I love these. I cut these down. I actually cut them into fourths and make backgrounds for my artist trading cards out of them. And this feels like photo paper. And I've done photo paper here with the faux inks, and they come out really neat. And this, again, is watercolor paper, and that's watercolor paper. And this feels like, yep, this is Yupo. Look at how beautiful this stuff is. This is Yupo. This one's got a little paint over the ink. This is a photo paper. These are photo papers. This is photo paper. Photo paper. Photo paper. This is photo paper. Love this. Look at that. You see all the different, like, cells and things in there? That's photo paper. This is Yupo. This is photo paper. Oh, look at, she's stamped on this one. How pretty. And this one, I don't know what this is. I don't think it's photo paper. I know it's not Yupo. But look at, it's ink. It's so cool. I like that. It shines pretty. This looks like Yupo paper. Love that. Again, this looks like it's probably Yupo. Yep. Oh, wow. This one's got, like, crackling in it. Really cool. It's like she stamped it in the background, and then when she dyed over it, the stamp was, like, white underneath it. That is awesome. I love that. And then there's this one. This one feels like photo paper. Yep, HP, there it is. That's photo paper. You can see how that stands out. This is Yupo. God, I love that. Look at how gorgeous that is, right? This is Yupo. I love her ink backgrounds. Look at that one. A little bit of metallic colors in it on Yupo. This is Yupo paper. I have another one that's close to this one, so now I can do, like, a whole series. Oh, and she did this one drippy. I like it. Looks like a bunch of tornadoes coming down. And this is Yupo. How gorgeous this is. Thanks for the friendship. Hugs, Tina. Look, it's Tina. She's in the middle. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you, honey. I love them. You know I'm going to use them. I'm going to put them to good use. You know this. that's it. I just wanted to come on real quick and share my happy mail, because like I spent 10 cents at her sale and I felt bad, but I had to run, and that was the only thing that was there that I wanted at that moment. I had to run because I had some things I had to get done, and I felt bad because that was all I bought was like 10 cents. I was like, you don't even have to send it to me. She's like, no, I'll send it to you, no problem. So apparently she found a way to fill out the envelope. But I love you, girl. You know I do. As for the rest of you, I will see you later. I've got some things I got to get done so I can get some videos posted and get some stuff edited, and I will talk to you later. Till the next time, do me a favor, hit that red button for me, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. If you haven't done so already, go over to Tina's Crafty Life and ring her red bell too. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.